Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Channel.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. Thank you.
Okay, today's topic is very important.
Very important and maybe a little uncomfortable.
Maybe a little, because today we are talking about why you must talk in English every day.
Every day, not sometimes, not when you feel ready, every day.
And we know some people hear this and think, but I'm not ready yet.
My English is not good enough.
I need to study more first.
We hear this a lot, and today we are going to change that thinking.
A1 level, simple words, big ideas. Let's go. Okay, first question. Why do people not talk in English every day?
The number one reason? Fear.
Fear. They are scared.
Scared of making mistakes, scared of sounding silly, scared of not finding the right word.
What if I say something wrong?
What if people laugh at me?
What if I forget a word in the middle of a sentence?
These are very normal fears, very human fears.
But here is the truth. These fears stop you from getting better.
Because the only way to get better at talking is to talk.
Not to read more, not to watch more videos, to talk.
Talking is a skill, and skills need practice.
Every day, like a muscle.
Yes, like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak.
If you use it every day, it gets stronger.
Every single day.
Okay, let's talk about what happens when you don't speak English every day.
You study, you learn grammar, you learn vocabulary,
But then someone asks you a question in English.
and you panic.
Your brain goes blank. You know the words, but they don't come out.
This happens because your brain knows English, but your mouth doesn't.
Your mouth needs practice too.
Your mouth, your tongue, your voice, all of them need practice.
Reading English is passive. Listening is passive.
Speaking is active, very different.
When you speak, your brain has to find the word fast, very fast.
In a conversation, you don't have 10 minutes to think.
You have 2 seconds, maybe 3.
So you need to train your brain to find words quickly.
And the only way to do that is to speak every day. Now, let's talk about what happens when you do speak English every day.
Good things happen, many good things.
First, your confidence grows.
Confidence, this is very important, maybe the most important thing.
When you speak every day, you stop being scared.
Because you realize making mistakes is normal. The world doesn't end.
I said the wrong word. Nobody died.
Exactly. You survive and you learn.
And next time, you make that mistake less.
Or you find a better word.
Because your brain remembers. Last time I said this wrong. Let me try differently.
That is how language learning really works.
Not from textbooks, from real experience.
From real talking, real mistakes, real learning.
Second good thing, your vocabulary becomes active.
Active vocabulary. Remember this word, active.
Passive vocabulary, words you understand when you read or hear them.
Active vocabulary, words you actually use when you speak.
Most learners have a big passive vocabulary and a small active vocabulary
They know many words, but they can't use them when speaking.
because they never practice using them out loud.
When you speak every day, passive words become active.
I know the word exhausted. I used it today. Now it's mine.
I know the phrase, I'm not sure about that. I said it today, now it's natural.
Saying a word out loud, that's what makes it stick.
Not reading it, not writing it, saying it.
Third good thing, your pronunciation gets better.
Yes, and this is something people don't think about enough.
Pronunciation only gets better when you speak.
You can watch videos pronunciation, you can learn the rules.
But your mouth needs to practice the sounds.
Every language has sounds that are difficult for foreign speakers.
English has sounds that don't exist in other languages.
The th sound, think, that, them.
Many people struggle with this because their native language doesn't have it.
The only way to get better, practice out loud every day.
Think, think, think. Say it 10 times.
Yes, say it 10 times, your mouth will learn.
Slowly, but it will learn. Okay, now practical ideas. How do you speak English every day?
Because some people say, I don't have anyone to speak English with.
Very common problem, especially if you don't live in an English-speaking country.
But the good news, you don't need another person.
At least not at first.
You can speak English alone.
And this is not crazy. This is a real method.
Idea number 1, talk to yourself.
Every morning, describe what you see, what you are doing.
I am getting up. It is cold today. I need coffee.
Simple sentences, out loud, in English.
Nobody is listening, no pressure, just practice.
Your brain is making English. Your mouth is making sounds.
That is speaking practice. Simple and free.
Idea number 2, talk about what you see.
When you walk outside, describe things in English.
There is a red car. There are many people. The sky is cloudy today.
Very simple, very A1, but very useful.
Your brain is searching for words, finding them, using them.
That is exactly the skill you need for real conversations.
The skill of finding words quickly.
And the more you practice, the faster you get.
Idea number 3, narrate your day like a story.
Oh, I love this one.
Imagine you are in a film and you are telling the story of your day.
This morning, I woke up late. I was very tired. I made coffee and looked outside.
The weather was gray. I didn't want to go to work, but I got dressed and left the house.
Very simple story, but you practiced past tense. You practiced time expressions.
You practiced everything without even thinking about grammar.
That is natural learning, the best kind.
Idea number 4, repeat what you hear.
When you watch a film or show in English, pause it.
Repeat what the character just said, out loud.
Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm.
This is called shadowing. Very powerful method.
I'll be back. Classic film line.
Yes, repeat it. Feel how it sounds. Feel how your mouth moves.
Your mouth learns the shape of English words.
And slowly, speaking English starts to feel more natural.
Less thinking, more flowing.
That is the goal. Flowing, natural, easy. Idea number 5, find a language partner.
Someone else who is learning English, or someone who speaks English.
You can meet online. Many apps and websites connect language learners.
You speak English with them, they speak your language with you. Both people practice.
10 minutes a day is enough to start.
10 minutes of real conversation is worth 2 hours of reading.
Because it is active, you are producing English, not just receiving it.
Producing. That word is important. You are making English, creating it.
Not just understanding it, making it.
That is the difference between a passive learner and an active one.
Idea number 6, record yourself.
This one makes people nervous.
It makes everyone nervous.
But it is very useful because you hear yourself.
You hear your mistakes, your pronunciation, your rhythm.
Oh, I say too much. Good to know.
I pronounced that word wrong. Good to know.
My sentences are too short. I stop too fast. Good to know.
You can only fix what you can hear.
So record yourself, even for 1 minute. Listen back.
It is uncomfortable at first, but very helpful.
Every week, you will hear improvement.
Real improvement. Your own voice getting better.
That is very motivating.
Okay, let's talk about the big fear again. Mistakes.
Because we know this is what stops most people.
Here is something important. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Really?
Really, every day. We forget words, we say the wrong thing, we start a sentence and lose our way.
What I was trying to say was, native speakers say this all the time.
Sorry, let me rephrase that. Native speakers say this.
What's the word I'm looking for? Native speakers say this.
Language is not perfect, not for anyone.
So stop waiting to be perfect before you speak.
Perfect English doesn't exist, even for native speakers.
What exists is communication, getting your message across.
And you can do that, even with mistakes, even with simple words.
I want, I need, I like, I don't understand. 4 phrases, very powerful.
You can have a real conversation with basic English.
If you are not afraid to try.
And the only way to stop being afraid is to do it.
Every day, a little bit, until it becomes normal.
Until speaking English feels as natural as speaking your own language.
It takes time, but it happens. It really happens.
Okay, let's go over the main ideas from today.
Why you must speak English every day. Speaking is a muscle. It gets stronger with practice.
What happens when you speak every day? Your confidence grows, your vocabulary becomes active, your pronunciation gets better.
How to speak English every day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Narrate your day. Repeat things you hear. Find a language partner. Record yourself.
And the most important thing, don't wait to be perfect.
Start now with what you have.
Simple words are enough. Courage is more important than grammar.
Courage is more important than grammar. Write that down.
And now, a question for you in the comments.
How many minutes do you speak English every day right now, and what is your biggest challenge when speaking?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know and we want to help.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Channel today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and subscribe to Daily English Channel so you don't miss our next one. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.